Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on All Services right next to Recommended. Scroll down again and tap on Autofill. Now Autofill with Google. And after scrolling down, Google Password Manager. Finally, to edit one of your passwords, click on it and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!